This video is going to start working on exponents, and there's a rule that we're going to talk about in class all the time, that if you know your base, you cannot go wrong with exponents. So the first rule that we're going to deal with is the zero power property, and it basically says anything, and I mean anything, to the zero power is going to be 1. And there's a big giant number here. That big giant number to the zero power is 1. What if I had x to the zero power? It's 1. How about 3 to the zero power? It's 1. How about 17.68 to the zero power? It's 1. So everything that we can imagine, whether it's a variable, whether it's a whole number, whether it's a decimal. How about a fraction? How about 2/3 to the zero power? You got it. It's 1. So if everything that we could think of is 1, how about a whole bunch of stuff? What about all of this junk right here to the zero power? Well, it's 1. How about crazy stuff? How about an alligator to the zero power? It's 1. So this has to be one of the simplest rules that we could possibly do, right? Well, we can probably make it more complicated. Of course we can. It's math. So remember what I said. You need to know what your base is. So what if I had 3x to the zero power? Well, what's my base? Well, what's the little exponent connected to? It's connected to the x. So yes, the x to the 0 is in fact 1. But I got this 3 dangling here, and 3 times 1 is 3. So don't get tricked by that. How about if I had a -3 to the 0? Well, what's my base? My base is 3. 3 to the 0 power. 3 to the 0 power is in fact 1. But I got this little thing dangling here, so the entire thing is actually -1. Do not be caught by that. All these rules that we're going to do, know what your base is. And if your base is anything to the zero power, that base is 1.